Today we're taking a quick look at the Sage Oracle Espresso Machine. First, I like to pull some water through the portafilter into the cup to help heat everything up. Then, unlock the portafilter and wipe the basket so it's clean and dry. The Oracle will grind, dose and tamp automatically for you. Just insert the portafilter and click to the right. Move the portafilter from the grind chamber straight to the group head. It is programmable volumetrics. For a double espresso, set it so that extracts 40 grams espresso in 28 seconds. It is a dual boiler, meaning it can steam milk at the same time, or without any waiting, unlike single boiler machines. To steam milk, start by purging the steam wand by pushing the steam lever up into the manual position. Then, put your milk pitcher into the steam wand and push it down so it sits on the drip tray, and tap the steam lever down to the auto function. The steam wand has programmable temperature and phone settings. We're making a flat white today, so 65 degrees Celsius with minimal foam texture. Once the machine has reached the desired temperature, it will stop for you. Pull the milk pitcher out and wipe the steam wand with a damp cloth. Push the steam wand down back into the drip tray and it will auto-purge. Now for the finishing touches, pouring some coffee art. This is something that takes practice, but the Oracle helps by steaming the milk to the desired texture for you. Let's see what I can do. Not my best, but not bad considering. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe.